Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with your weekly screencast video. So let me hop into this week's schedule. This is week 4 of our online version of COM 102. So this week, as I say here, we're going to begin use of the textbook. So make sure you have the textbook. It's going to be very difficult to do some of the exercises here in Canvas, and the work that we'll be doing is going to be tied really closely to the textbook. In fact, you'll need that just to complete the exercises and activities moving forward. So as I say here, this is where we begin the portion of the course where we're going to work on a focused research project. All the research, all the work, all the writing, all the assignments will ultimately be focused on your topic, and you will be able to walk through the next so many weeks with the idea of what it would be like to do a focused research project. So we're going to take this chapter by chapter in the textbook, and we'll begin here. Let me point out one item in the syllabus. Let's see if I can pull the schedule up quickly. What happens is you want to keep your eye on some of the major assignments here. As we move through the chapters 1 and 2, one of the ones I want to point out is the annotated bibliography. You're going to want to make sure the annotated bibliography due date is on a calendar. You want to be aware of the extent of that particular assignment as we move through the next coming weeks. And such items as the double entry journal and also the first drafts and final drafts of the research essay. So you can check out the schedule here, just put some dates down for yourself. It'll be important for you to plan out the semester ahead. So let's get to the module here. I've opened up the week 4 schedule. So the objectives here is really straightforward. We're going to start with the introduction. You'll get a little bit more thinking about the introduction in this week's lecture video. However, I want to point out it's really important, and you want to pay close attention to the reading that begins on page 13 called Theories of Intelligence. In this particular introduction, just chapter in the textbook, we're going to challenge your thinking of what the research paper is and is not. So the idea here is to work through the introduction. It'll set yourself up for the discussion boards. If I were to click through here this week, we have exercise 1. It's kind of a basic exercise to get you, just kind of acquainted with the textbook. And then the big discussion board I'm looking for a discussion is after reading Theories of Intelligence. You may want to take a look at this while you read that particular piece in the textbook. All right. So that's the week in a glance. Just to be wrap up, let me get back to the announcements. Once again, you want to make sure that you're aware of and you have the textbook. I should get that lecture video published out sometimes Wednesday or Thursday. When's that? Friday. I'll get that lecture video posted somewhere around Wednesday, so you can listen to that and view that prior to reading and posting about theories. All right. If you have any questions or issues, as always, send me an email. Good luck.